So, we all know what pigs in blanket is, right? One thing. We also know how some sausages are smoky, hot, garlicky, flavorful. This Polish sausage. And I have some cheddar smokies. Got some baby bells. Got an onion. Got some normal cheese and some croissant dough. What am I doing? I don't know, honestly. But, I guess it will be a, stoner inspired munchy, Halloween snack. I don't know. But let's get cutting, right? So let's grab a board here. You simmer the fuck down right there.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich, Chef Ramsay.
Alright. So I'm just gonna cut the sausage. Not mine.
Why are you looking down there? Why are you looking down there? Keep your eyes above. No, what are you doing?
That's not okay. That's...
Where did my dick go? Did you see my dick, Sean? Sean, you didn't see it? What about you? No, did you see my dick? You didn't see my... I got my dick off!
Okay. And I'm actually gonna cut it again lengthways. Now I'm gonna like char it a bit. So let's take it out of the skin. Just like that. Then what you do. So honestly, just gonna go like this a few times with each one. Just so we get a little cut in them. So the onion juices can seep in better, and when we wrap it, the cheese and all that can seep. Let's go over here, and I'm quite literally just gonna drop them in. Now, let's get that at a simmer quickly. You don't need much onion. In fact, for what we need, I think I even cut too much. Okay, let's just dump them all in. Wrapping and everything. Now, do we cook them all at once? I wonder. The sausage and the smokies. If there's any room, let's do it. So, grab about 4, maybe. Now let's do 5. And let's do the same thing. Cut a little slit and all. Lay it. Now, just gonna get this going a bit more. The biggest job here is actually gonna be the baby bells, because we need to cut them. Should have froze them honestly before, but you know, considering I do Willabong and other shit, we ain't gonna do that. The thing though is, do we cut it with the like wax on, or do we do this? And you know what baby bells are. What length? So we're gonna put them with the sausages, and then wrap them up. So I think honestly, just a normal cut like this will do half. So yeah, let's do that. Now again, a lot of these are just random thought of. Yeah, honestly I thought I had a Italian sausage, but no, I didn't.
Fermo, stai calmo, non si agita, ci do subito tutti gli euro che c'è nel portafoglio.
Ma che cosa dici, minchione? Essa non è una rapina.
Ooh, those puppies are cooking pretty good.
Oh, no. You're kidding me.
Pretty good, I say. Now, what the old cheese is for, honestly, is to actually give it a little cheese coating on the croissant dough after it's baked. Well, not after, but it'll melt and it'll be all nice and toasty. Why, look at that. Look at that sizzle. Got the cheese here. Got the spray berry done. Hey, what's up? We got everything here. Bang. Thank you, mine. So, what's first? This, that, the sausage, or the cheese? Pretty funny, actually. You could do it any way you want, but, you know, bada boom. Don't forget to grease it, so. Bam bam. Oh, why, look at that. Now let's put in. And we bake them for, let me check here. 375 for about 10 to 12 minutes. Well, bam. So add on its sausage, some Mr. Noodles, but the spicy chicken, cheese, hamburger bun. There you go. Let's check in here. Oh, aye. So we were gonna make one thing. We ended up making 3. So we got what we were gonna make right here. We got those burger things, and we got some Mr. Noodles. So I'm gonna go smoke and gonna have a munchie break. Hey.